Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the simplest failures first. Look for a physical Wi-Fi switch and flip it on. If your keyboard uses FN plus a function key, press it once and watch the LED. Once done, check Windows Airplane Mode and toggle Wi-Fi off then on to reset the radio. Then open Device Manager, DevMut. MSC, to inspect the Network Adapters section. Note any yellow exclamation marks, because those indicate driver or hardware recognition problems that we'll address next. You now handle driver and firmware issues that commonly break the Wi-Fi button. First, uninstall the wireless adapter in Device Manager, and then use Scan for hardware changes so Windows redetects it. If that fails, download the exact WLAN driver from the laptop maker and install it. Make sure to check BIOS or UEFI for a wireless toggle and apply any firmware updates. Once installed, run Windows Network Reset or use Netch WLAN Reset commands to rebuild profiles and restore radio defaults, which often fixes button-related toggles. You finish by validating the repair. Reboot the laptop and test Wi-Fi connectivity, and if possible plug in a USB Wi-Fi adapter to determine whether the internal radio is at fault. If problems persist, restore Windows to a previous point, apply pending OS updates, or, only if you're comfortable, reseat the internal wireless card after powering down. If all else fails, a key troubleshooting tip. Boot into safe mode with networking to check whether a software conflict is disabling the Wi-Fi button. If it works there, remove recently installed networking apps or drivers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.